Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is TAV here. And have you purchased a retail copy of Windows 11 recently and you have forgotten that product key or you want to get it moved to a new computer? So in this video I will show you how to safely back up your Windows product key, verify whether license is either transferable or not, remove the activation key from your current PC or hardware and prepare it for use on another device. So I will explain the difference between the retail and OEM licenses key as well, so you can avoid activation issues. So let's get started. If you have a genuine retail Windows 11 license key, then you can transfer it to another computer provided it is used only on one PC at a time. Before moving it, you should save the product key and uninstall it from the current PC. To do that, first we will have to confirm whether it's a retail key or not. To do that, go to your start menu and look for command prompt. You see, this is the command prompt. Run it as an administrator. It will ask for user account control. Click yes, and now it will open the command prompt user interface. slmgr /DLI. Press enter. Wait for some time and Windows script host will show one pop-up message and showing you that this is a retail key. That means we are currently using the retail key and it's Windows Professional Edition. Once this is confirmed, you can click OK, or you can type the command slmgr /DLV. It will show Software Licensing Service version, all the key details, activation ID, and the use license URL and other details. Here also you can find the description like retail channel. This is important. Once noted down, you can hit OK. Now we will record our product key, and if you have purchased Windows with a 25 character key, you should save it. So for that, you can close this for a minute and then reopen your start menu and then look for PowerShell command. Again, run it as an administrator. Click yes, and here you will be using this command. I will put this into description. And then press enter. Please note that this command mainly will return an OEM key stored in firmware. If you bought Windows digitally as a retail license, your key may instead be in your purchase email, retailer account or Microsoft account order history. So since we are using retail key, it is not showing up here. Now you can close this Windows PowerShell. Now it's time, like we have confirmed that this is a retail key, activated Windows version. Now it's time to remove the key from the current PC like this one to transfer it to a new PC, because retail key can be used one system at a time. To do that, again reopen your command prompt. Do a right click on command prompt from this search result under best match and then click on run as administrator. Click yes, and here type the command slmgr /UPK. A message will pop up saying like uninstall product key successfully. So this uninstall the current product key from your Windows PC. Now we will have to run one more command called slmgr /cpky. This will remove the key from the Windows registry to reduce the chance of being recovered. So I'm pressing enter here, and from the registry also this product key have been removed successfully. Click OK. Once these steps are done, do restart one time. And that's it. You have now uninstalled your product key from the current Windows PC, and to activate the new PC you will have to follow like I'm currently do not have any other PC right now, but you can do the Same thing like under set, you will have to go to under settings, then under settings you will go to systems, and then under about you will find this product key and activation, and here you can click on change product key and provide the same product Windows retail key here, and then hit next. It will going to activate your Windows key into your new PC. And that's it. This is all we have to do. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope this video you have found something useful. And if you have find this video useful, please like, share and subscribe. Till my next video, take care and bye bye.